Let's analyze a leadership scenario where a supervisor named Jim has been struggling with performance. We'll examine four possible responses and determine which would be most and least effective. The situation is this. For the past few months, one of your supervisors, Jim, has been struggling to perform, and this is becoming evident in his area's declining results. Let's examine the four possible responses. Option 1. Sit down with Jim and create an action plan. Observe his behaviors and provide coaching periodically. Option 2. Pair Jim with a high-performing peer for coaching, checking team performance periodically. Option 3. Identify key impact areas and get involved daily, advising Jim directly. Option 4. Meet with Jim to share your improvement ideas and set clear expectations with regular monitoring. Let's analyze why option 1 is the most effective response. First, it takes a collaborative approach while maintaining your supervisory role. It provides clear structure through an action plan. It allows Jim to maintain his autonomy while receiving support, and it focuses on long-term development rather than just short-term fixes. Now, let's examine why option 3 is the least effective response. It's too controlling and micromanaging. It undermines Jim's authority with his team. It creates dependency rather than building capability, and it makes assumptions about solutions without Jim's input. In conclusion, the best leadership approach empowers while supporting, whereas the worst approach overcontrols and undermines. Option 1 provides the right balance of guidance and autonomy